sign in, please.
The university is always offering chances to
Causes of bleeding
learn something new.
So we're going to talk about the ABCs of bleeding.
So Stop the Bleed initiative is to promote saving lives by pressure, applying pressure and tourniquet to massive bleed situations. A lot of people think of shootings or the bombings at the Boston Marathon, and many of the techniques that Stop the Bleed promotes is what actually saved many lives at a lot of these situations.
This is gonna hurt, sir.
As a nursing student, I thought it would be really good information to know how to stop a bleed, which I'm sure I will learn down the line in nursing school, but I thought it'd be a good way to spend an hour.
Most of my first aid training was based on 1980s Boy Scout first aid stuff, so
Cranked enough to get it in there.
it definitely needed an upgrade.
There you go. All right. Excellent.
Oh, yeah, and it worked.
Like, I'd never learned how to use a tourniquet before, or I had heard about packing wounds, but I learned how to do that.
You've assessed and it's safe.
Just sort of learning the hierarchy of these steps you have to do first was very useful.
What information are you going to provide them?
My location.
First step is to be safe. The second step is to call for help. So you are alerting for the emergency system to be initiated, and so you're basically saving their life until the professionals get there.
I did like being able to work with an actual mannequin, and we had the little the little leg log that it was like fake flesh, where I could actually push on it and it would compress like real skin, and put the tourniquet on, which would also compress, which was nice.
I'm a hands-on learner, so I definitely benefit from put it into practice what they were teaching us on the slides right away, and kind of get that muscle memory of just remembering how to do this stuff whenever the time comes.
I think it will save a life, because then someone leaves here today knowing how to address a wound, a bleeding wound, that they could actually get help and stop the bleeding, which would save the life.
Pressure.